Hi, I'm Rachel Miller, physical therapist, certified Pilates instructor, and founder of the Pilates PT, and I want to share with you one of those exercises that drives me crazy, double leg lowers. So I'm sure a lot of you have seen it or done it in a gym or fitness setting. It's basically the exercise where you lay on your back, your legs are straight up in the air, and you lower them down. So this is what I see all the time. Legs are up, and they come all the way down, all the way up. So what usually happens, I will say, so you can try it yourself, as the legs lower down, I see the belly start to push up and I see the back start to arch. And it's not the low back as much as the mid back, kind of right here, that tends to lift up as those legs lower down. So it's almost like this seesaw. As you lower down, your back muscles kind of arch and almost tense and strain. And we lose a lot of that kind of core abdominal work. So try this. As you lower the legs, you're going to exhale, think about drawing the belly in and keeping the back of your rib cage glued down to the floor. And then inhale to bring those legs back up. So on that exhale, belly draws in, back sinks into the floor. I'm shaking. I'm using these deep muscles a whole lot more. What that also means is I'm probably not going to be able to go down as low with my legs before I start to lose that connection. Ways to make it easier: bending your knees or going into single leg, or even starting in shelf and just doing one leg toe tap. Same concept. Exhale to engage, sinking that mid back into the floor, making sure you are breathing. And give it a try. Feel the difference. It's one of those exercises that bigger is not necessarily better. I want you to feel it here, tightening across those deep abdominals. I don't want you to feel tension and tightness in your back. It should be a core stabilization exercise. So give it a try and let me know if you have questions.